My name is Chelsea Shelton, and I'm an Oklahoma 4-H dentist, and you're watching Weather Wizards. This is Day 4 solar symbols of our 5-day series. Welcome back, Weather Wizards. Before the invention of the clock, how did people tell time? Think about it. We use time for everything now. When to go to school, when to meet a friend, or when to log on to our Zooms. Time is important in our everyday lives. Do you know that you can use the sun to tell the time? The sun is the heart of our solar system. It's a big star and a hot ball of glowing gases. The sun is made of 75% hydrogen and 25% helium. The sun is 9,941 degrees Fahrenheit. The sun's connection with Earth gives us our weather, the ocean's currents, seasons, and so much more. The sun is so important to life on Earth. It gives us warmth so plants can grow and light so we can see. The Earth moves around the sun so we see seasons change, the sunrise, and the sunset. Knowing the sun's pattern and the time of day is beneficial for planting and growing crops. Most plants grow best during a specific season, so it's important to understand the amount of sun they need to have in a day. For example, corn is a warm season crop, needing warm weather to grow because it can die if it gets too cold or if it gets hit with frost. Spinach is a cool season crop, meaning it can withstand frost and cooler temperatures. Earth rotates around the sun east to west. When this happens, we have a change in our seasons and the amount of sunlight we have each day. Since the Earth is tilted on its axis, half of the Earth is leaning more towards the sun with warm temperatures and long summer days, while the other half of the Earth is facing away from the sun with short days and are in its winter season. In today's experiment, we will be making our own sundials, which we can use along with the sun to determine the time. You can tell the time by the shadow that is given from our sundial. The materials you will need is a paper plate, a pencil, a marker, and some tape. The first step that you're going to do is take your paper plate and your pencil and poke a hole and place your pencil in the center of your paper plate. You can then use tape to help secure your pencil in place. You want to make sure that your pencil is perpendicular straight up and down with your plate. Now, the next step we will do is we'll go outside with our marker and our created sundial. We'll place our sundial in a location where the shade will not be touching it at all day, and we'll see where the shadow is on our plate. We will then mark it with our marker and write the time next to it so we know what time it was when we went out there. We'll continue to go back every hour and make another mark where the shadow is. This will give us our sundial. Make sure to go to flipgrid.com and use the code at the bottom of your activity sheets to show us how your sundial turned out. Don't forget to also fill out the Microsoft form questions. If you have any further questions or for more information, please go to 4h.okstate.edu. I can't wait to hear from you guys.